Imagine getting paid to help improve artificial intelligence, not by building software, not by learning programming, and not by becoming a data scientist. Instead, by reviewing AI-generated responses, identifying mistakes, comparing answers, and helping train smarter AI systems. As artificial intelligence becomes more popular, companies are investing heavily in improving the quality of their AI tools. But even the most advanced AI systems still make mistakes. They can provide incorrect information, they can misunderstand questions, they can generate responses that are unclear or incomplete, and that's why companies need real people to review AI outputs and provide feedback. In today's video, we're going to look at data annotation, a platform that connects qualified contributors with AI training and evaluation projects. I'll explain how the platform works, the type of tasks people may encounter, what skills can be helpful, and what you should know before applying. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. Eligibility, project availability, acceptance, and compensation vary based on factors such as location, qualification, skills, and the platform's current needs. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first, what exactly is data annotation? Data annotation is a platform that offers opportunities for qualified contributors to work on projects that help improve artificial intelligence systems. The goal is quite simple. AI systems need human feedback. Computers can process enormous amounts of information, but they still benefit from human judgment. Companies developing AI tools often need people to evaluate responses, compare outputs, identify errors, and provide feedback that helps improve future performance. This is where data annotation comes in. The platform connects contributors with tasks related to AI evaluation and training. Depending on the available projects and your qualifications, tasks may involve reading AI responses, rating their quality, checking for accuracy, improving answers, or comparing multiple responses. The exact work can vary significantly from project to project. Many people assume that AI systems can simply teach themselves, but that's not entirely true. Artificial intelligence learns from data and feedback. Human reviewers help identify when responses are useful, accurate, and relevant. For example, if an AI is asked a question about health, finance, history, science, or technology, companies want to know whether the answer is correct and helpful. Human reviewers can spot issues that automated systems might miss. This feedback helps AI developers improve future versions of their systems. As AI adoption continues to grow across industries, the need for human evaluation remains important. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine an AI receives this question: what are 3 healthy habits people should practice daily? The AI generates an answer. Your task may be to review that response and determine, is the information accurate? Does the answer give value to the question? Is it easy to understand? Is anything missing? Or could the response be improved? In another project, you might receive 2 AI generated answers and be asked which one is more useful. You may need to explain why one response is stronger than the other. Some tasks focus on writing, others focus on reasoning, some involve fact checking, others involve comparing outputs and providing feedback. The goal is to help improve AI quality through thoughtful human evaluation. One major reason people find AI evaluation interesting is that some projects focus more on analytical thinking than technical programming. Helpful skills may include strong reading comprehension, attention to detail, critical thinking, research ability, written communication, problem solving, following instructions carefully. The ability to evaluate information objectively. Different projects may require different skill sets, so requirements can vary. Now, how do you even apply? If you're interested in exploring opportunities on data annotation, the first step is creating an account and reviewing the platform's current requirements. You may be asked to complete assessments or qualification tasks designed to evaluate your skills. Take your time during any assessment, read every instruction carefully, and crucially, pay attention to details because many qualification processes are designed to measure accuracy, reasoning, and attention to instructions. Before applying, keep several important points in mind. First, acceptance is not guaranteed. Second, project availability can vary over time. Third, compensation may differ depending on project requirements and complexity. Fourth, always review official information directly from the platform before making decisions. And finally, be cautious of anyone promising guaranteed income or unrealistic earnings. Legitimate opportunities generally require effort, quality work, and consistency. Before we end this, you need to understand that artificial intelligence is creating entirely new categories of work. Platforms like data annotation provide an example of how human feedback contributes to development of modern AI systems. Whether you're interested in remote work, technology, freelancing, or learning more about AI, understanding how AI evaluation works, and then if you're basically interested in any of this, then you need to understand that in this particular channel, I actually share a whole lot on these particular concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI, remote work, freelancing, online opportunities, and digital skills. And in the comment section below, let me know, would you consider helping train artificial intelligence? Well, I'll be waiting for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.